Welcome to the world of Superpack, a leading producer of lithium-ion batteries. Today, we will explore the innovative manufacturing execution system, or MES, that drives our production efficiency and quality. At Superpack, the production process begins with battery cell grouping. This crucial step ensures that each cell is organized according to specific requirements, setting the foundation for a high-quality battery. Each battery cell is assigned a unique code, which is scanned to maintain traceability throughout the manufacturing process. This code scanning is vital for quality control and inventory management. Next, we integrate the battery management system, BMS, with battery pack code scanning. This integration allows us to monitor the performance and safety of each battery pack, ensuring reliability for our customers. The welding process is critical in assembling the battery packs. Our advanced welding technology guarantees strong and durable connections, essential for optimal battery performance. After assembly, the batteries enter the aging phase. This process is monitored with code tracking, allowing us to assess the longevity and reliability of each battery under various conditions. Once aging is complete, the system updates the status, ensuring that only fully tested and reliable batteries proceed to the next stage. The final steps involve code scanning for offline packaging. This ensures that every battery is accounted for and ready for distribution, maintaining our commitment to quality and efficiency. Our central total display provides real-time insights into the production process, allowing for immediate adjustments and continuous improvement. Additionally, we utilize laser spot welding technology, which enhances precision and reduces the risk of damage during assembly. At Superpack, our MES production control system is designed to optimize every aspect of battery manufacturing. From battery grouping to final packaging, everything can be done in an orderly and efficient manner. If you are interested in our production process, please contact us by clicking the contact information below the video.